XRP is facing a major risk right now, and if you're holding on to this cryptocurrency, you can't afford to ignore what's happening. The excitement around XRP has been massive, with many expecting it to hit new highs in the near future. But there's a dark side to all this, and it's a risk that could send the price crashing down. With the SEC lawsuit still unresolved, the uncertainty surrounding Ripple and XRP has reached a boiling point. While some investors are optimistic, others are growing increasingly concerned about the potential fallout if things don't go as planned. The legal battle could continue for much longer, and if the outcome isn't in Ripple's favor, XRP could face a steep decline. On top of that, the broader cryptocurrency market has been volatile, with prices swinging wildly in both directions. One wrong move or a sudden market correction could send XRP's value plummeting, causing major losses for those who aren't prepared. But that's not all. Negative sentiment, rumors and fear in the market are only making things worse. Investors are nervous, and their uncertainty could lead to even more selling pressure. In short, XRP could face a dramatic fall if the risks playing out right now continue unchecked. If you're invested in XRP or thinking about jumping in, now is the time to pay close attention to the warning signs. The future of XRP hangs in the balance, and you need to be aware of the risks involved before making any decisions. It's not just about the potential for gains anymore. The real question is how much you're willing to lose if things take a turn for the worse. Stay informed and stay cautious, because this crypto fall is one you definitely don't want to ignore. XRP's current situation is far from stable, and understanding the risks at play is crucial for any investor. The legal battle between Ripple and the SEC continues to loom large, and despite all the developments, we still don't know how this case will end. The SEC's accusations against Ripple have already caused significant price fluctuations for XRP, and the uncertainty surrounding the outcome is enough to make any investor uneasy. If the case drags on even further, or if Ripple doesn't win, XRP's price could face a sharp decline. The market already reacts strongly to any new developments in the case, and a negative ruling could trigger a wave of selling, leaving XRP's value in freefall. But the risks don't end with the SEC. The cryptocurrency market as a whole is incredibly volatile. Prices of digital currencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and even smaller altcoins have been swinging wildly. This kind of market behavior means that XRP is vulnerable to sudden drops in value if the overall market faces a correction or downturn. Even if Ripple comes out on top in the SEC case, the broader crypto market conditions could still impact XRP's price significantly. A downturn in global markets, negative news in the crypto space, or sudden shifts in investor sentiment can cause XRP to plummet, regardless of Ripple's legal success. On top of these factors, fear, uncertainty, and doubt FUD are playing a huge role in the price action of XRP. Negative headlines or rumors can cause panic among investors, leading to mass sell-offs. These FUD-driven movements can be unpredictable, and they only add to the risks that XRP holders face. In such a volatile environment, it's easy for prices to spiral downward, especially when sentiment is fragile. Investors should not only focus on XRP's potential but also be aware of the market's potential to surprise in the worst way. What does all of this mean for XRP's price? If the risks we've discussed continue to play out, we could be looking at some serious consequences for XRP's value. Many experts are predicting that XRP could face a significant drop if the SEC lawsuit doesn't end in Ripple's favor. In the worst-case scenario, the price could plummet by as much as 50% or more, wiping out millions of dollars in value. Even if Ripple does manage to settle the case with the SEC, the aftermath could still see a temporary dip in XRP's price as the market reacts to the news. Investors who have been holding on to XRP in hopes of a major rise might find themselves facing the opposite, a steep decline that could take months or even years to recover from. Looking at the broader market, the volatility of the cryptocurrency space makes it even harder to predict what's next for XRP. If we see another major market correction, XRP's price could be dragged down with it, just like we've seen with other cryptocurrencies in the past. The unpredictable nature of the crypto market means that even a positive outcome for Ripple might not be enough to prevent a price drop, especially if investor sentiment turns negative. And even if the market as a whole doesn't take a dive, XRP could still struggle if investors lose confidence due to ongoing legal battles, regulatory concerns, or other external factors. What's even more concerning is how XRP's price has been highly sensitive to news and rumors. Any bit of bad press or a negative update on the legal situation could trigger a wave of panic selling, leading to rapid price declines. It's crucial for XRP holders to consider these worst-case scenarios and prepare for the possibility that the price might not go up as expected. If you're in this for the long term, you need to be aware that the journey might not be as smooth as many hope. It's a risky ride, and understanding the potential pitfalls is key to making informed decisions. As an XRP investor, it's important to take proactive steps to protect yourself from these risks. While no one can predict the future with certainty, there are strategies you can use to minimize potential losses and safeguard your investments. One of the most effective ways to protect yourself is by practicing good risk management. This means diversifying your portfolio and not putting all your eggs in one basket. By spreading your investments across different assets, you can reduce the impact of a potential crash in XRP's price. If XRP experiences a major dip, having other investments in your portfolio can help buffer the blow and keep you from losing everything. Another way to protect yourself is by setting stop-loss orders. A stop-loss order automatically sells your asset if it falls below a certain price, limiting your losses. This can be especially helpful in the volatile world of cryptocurrency, where prices can swing wildly. By setting a stop-loss at a level that you're comfortable with, you can ensure that you don't lose more than you're willing to risk. While this isn't a foolproof method, it can provide some level of protection against sharp declines in XRP's value. It's also essential to stay informed about the latest developments regarding Ripple, the SEC case, and the broader cryptocurrency market. News can break quickly, and the situation with XRP could change in an instant. Make sure you're following reliable sources of information to stay ahead of any potential changes that could affect your investment. Whether it's legal updates, market trends, or new regulations, staying up to date will allow you to make more informed decisions about whether to hold on to your XRP or cut your losses. Finally, it's important to have a plan in place. Ask yourself, how much are you willing to risk? What's your exit strategy if things don't go as planned? Having a clear plan can help you make rational decisions when emotions start running high. Cryptocurrency markets are known for their volatility, and it's easy to get swept up in the excitement or panic. But by making a plan and sticking to it, you'll be better prepared to weather any storm that comes your way. As we move forward, it's important to recognize that the risks associated with XRP are not just short-term concerns. They could have long-term consequences for both Ripple and the broader cryptocurrency market. A negative outcome in the SEC case could set a precedent that affects not only XRP but also the future of cryptocurrency regulation in the US. If Ripple loses the case, it could face hefty fines or even be forced to change the way it operates, which would create significant challenges for the company. This could also create a ripple effect across the crypto market, potentially leading to stricter regulations and causing other cryptocurrencies to come under increased scrutiny. The future of XRP hinges on the outcome of this legal battle, and the market's reaction to that outcome could be dramatic. Even if the settlement is favorable for Ripple, the legal uncertainties may continue to affect investor confidence in the long run. The broader cryptocurrency market, already prone to sharp swings, could see a decline in overall investor sentiment if Ripple is forced to deal with more regulatory hurdles. Therefore, it's crucial to consider the broader implications when thinking about